What up y'all, this is J Russ aka Jonas the Barber, back again with another Hondlik video. Today we got another unboxing video. We got a foil shaver from VGR, you know, one of my favorite brands to try out. This we got off Takealot. It's the VGR V338 professional foil shaver. Looks like this over here. So we are gonna do an unboxing on this. It looks very close to that of the Babyliss foil shaver, so I was keen to try it out. And yeah, let's get into it. What up brother, this is J Russ aka Jonas the Barber, back again with another Hondlik video. Today we have an unboxing of the VGR V338 professional foil shaver. This foil shaver I got off Takealot for 778 Rand, but there's various prices on there, so make sure you go and check them all, because there's some sellers selling for 800, some of them selling for 900, some even 1,000. So just look for the best price of this this specific shaver. This specific shaver does remind me of the Babyliss Pro foil shaver, so I was keen to try it out. It says that it is dual independent. Just forgive me, I do have a bit of a cold, so if I do sound funny, that's the reason. It has a 1400 milliamp lithium battery. It can run corded or cordless. It has touch speed control, so you can change through different speeds as well. It says it is rechargeable foil shaver, cord and cordless, LED display, USB charging. Alright, so it has a 2 hours charging time, 120 minutes operating time. Comes with a foil shaver, protection cap, cleaning brush, a storage bag and a USB cable to charge. It says it has titanium foils, double titanium, hyperallergenic if that's a word. Foils provide perfect cut. It says on off easy to operate switch, convenient and practical. Touch LED touch screen for speed control and power. USB charging, USB cable can provide you with plug wherever you need. Alright, let's whip open this bad boy. Gonna use our cutthroat, just like make an incision over there just to rip this plastic open. At least now with the plastic off, there shouldn't be a glare on the box from the ring light. Okay, so that's how the box looks. One thing I must say that I do like about VGR is that the packaging is very premium. It really is one of the top big brands in China. VGR along with Kimi and W Mark, I would say that they are one of the best hair clipper brands from China. So the unboxing experience, when you open the box like that, you get this black box over here that you can just slide open like that. Like a shoebox. So we are greeted with the foil shaver itself. We take that clear plastic off. We are greeted with the foil shaver, but we'll get to that. Open the rest of it. We get the protection bag. Nice velvety. Feels really good, premium. We get the instruction manual. We get a cleaning brush, and then we get the charging cable itself, which seems to be USB Type-C, which is actually very nice. So if you guys do want to use it to charge your phones, or you want to use your phone's charger to charge it, you can do that as well. As you can see, it's USB Type-C to USB, and yeah. Let's get to the charger itself. I must say, off first impressions, this thing is quite heavy, eh? It feels really premium. That's how it looks over there, some in the nice gold finish. Oh, this thing, it feels really nice, guys. It has a nice weight to it. It feels premium, doesn't feel cheap. If you take the cap off like that, as you can see, there's the double foil shaver. I must say a lot of the weight is actually also in the protective cap as well. But yeah. Oh, the motor really does feel powerful, eh? Nice to see it on 100%. And if I'm not mistaken, it's touch screen. Press to adjust the 5 speed. Okay, I think I need to take off the plastic for the touchscreen to be active. So we'll take that off over there. Switch it on. Oh, it's actually not. It's actually it's a button. It's not a touch screen. So we can decrease the speed to power 1 all the way up to power 5, and you can hear that thing sounds like a beast. And then to take off the edge, to clean it, all you do is you press that over there. If I'm not mistaken, there's the foil heads that you need to clean on a regular basis, guys, and there's the double foils over there. But yeah, overall I must say I'm very impressed with the VGR. Although I must say it is a huge finger magnet, but at the end of the day you just want it to do the job, to get the job done. There you go. And for all the guys that are using it for their personal home care maintenance, I guess you guys would use this. And yeah, that's gonna do it for the VGR V338 professional foil shaver. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's Haunt Look video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe if you guys want to see the future review of this foil shaver. But yeah, stay blessed, stay safe, and peace out, y'all. Peeps.